Hi, my name is Kerry Badham and today I'm going to demonstrate how to use our Impression Mat Set 1. Our Impression Mat Set 1 includes two different textures. The first one is a bark texture and the second one is a brick texture. We've made some items to demonstrate where you can use the impression mats. On the roof of our beach house we've used the brick impression mat. On the roof of the haunted house, we've used the impression mat with the bark texture. We've used the bark impression mat to make this cute little flower trough. We've also used the bark impression mat to emboss the picket fence. We've made the birdhouse using the More Than a Birdhouse cutter, and we've used both the impression mats here. We've got the bark one on the sides and the face of the birdhouse, and on the top we've used the brick impression mat to represent tiles. I've rolled out my modelling paste in advance, and it depends on what you're doing as to whether you would be using a modelling paste or a fondant. If you was covering a board, for example, you would only need to be using a fondant. But if you're going to be making a decorative item to go on your cake, then you're going to need to be doing it with modelling paste, but they both work exactly the same. So I've rolled out my modelling paste and I've left it set off for a little while. If it is quite sticky on top, you can use your dab of dust on top. Now the simplest way to use these, I find, is you put them on top and you can push them with your hand to apply pressure, but I quite like to use my rolling pin. So I go over the top. This one's the brick impression mat. And this one's the bark. So you keep it nice and even as you go. Do that one more time. You know, the beauty of these are you can just move them along and keep making your area bigger. So I'm going to do the whole end of this because we're going to cut something out afterwards. And back again. I'm going to pop this on my Firm Foam former pad just so you can see. Now it's important to do the impression on your paste before you cut something out with it, because when you do and you apply pressure, the fondant or the modelling paste, whatever it is you're using, will stretch. So I'm just going to place the cutter on top and cut out our textured fondant. And this one is the bark mat. You can use them for all kinds of things. You could use these even to make trees on the side of your cake. You can use the brick one to make little pathways. You can make sheds. You can make so many different things with that. Thank you for watching our video today for the Impression Mat Set 1. The only limit with these is your imagination.